Sup guys, over here. Mantle Network recently went live on the mainnet, and in this video we're gonna discuss the key points from the official announcement, check out Citizen NFT program, migrate our BIT tokens into the MNT tokens, and then bridge these tokens from Ethereum into the Mantle. And as usual, all links are in description, but follow them at your own risk. We're gonna start with the official announcement. First, they have whole bunch of data from the testnet. We're not really too interested in that one. Then description of the Mantle grants program stated we have selected over 50 teams who will be deploying their dApps on the mainnet, and then 200 million USD fund is being put together to further accelerate the growth in Mantle ecosystem. Then we have the part about values, governance. You can read upon this yourself. Obviously, we're not gonna go bit by bit to read the full announcement. And now we arrive into the Mantle Journey part. It states in Q3 we will announce Mantle Journey, an open access, a fair incentive program designed to distribute rewards to users and applications. Mantle Journey aims to incentivize various user activities within Mantle ecosystem and provide rewards based on these activities. Here's a sneak peek into some key details of the program. So have indexing. We'll index your key user activities, including Mantle Network transaction counts, TVL, interactions with the specific smart contracts, social actions, and governance actions. So in essence, pretty standard factors that people trying to achieve when hunting for the airdrops, for example. Epoch structure. The program will consist of multiple epochs, each lasting several months. Each epoch will have dynamic miles calculation rules and reward calculation rules. Epoch 1 will serve as a discovery phase, and future epochs may introduce more targeted quests, achievements, and the larger reward pools. It is likely that points earned in Epoch 1 will carry over to future epochs, allowing users to accumulate points and rewards over time. So here it's not clear, it's like they're saying maybe in Epoch 1 there will not be any specific rewards, because I assume they're gonna be testing a lot of stuff, but one thing is clear here, there's gonna be incentives for the mainnet, and it's gonna be in the form of this Mantle Journey. And at this point I think it's safe to say that we're probably not gonna see any quote-unquote normal airdrop. But you can say, wait, what about testnet? Is nobody getting anything for the testnet? Well, we do have Citizens of Mantle NFT collection. This NFT will sync with Mantle Journey to provide rewards and other goodies to the most engaged users of the Mantle community. So in essence, these NFT collections gonna be the part of the Mantle Journey with some additional benefits. And let's go into a little bit of details regarding this collection. So announcement states that whitelist is now open with our very first batch of NFTs, reserved for some of Mantle's earliest and most active contributors. And there are criteria here. The user has a single unique ERC20 address that passed the anti-Sybil and anti-bot checks, frequent transactions on the Mantle testnet, and interactions with the smart contracts like bridging, contract deployment, then contribution to Mantle community, and participation in Mantle community activities. So probably the first batch is gonna be super limited. You can check right away if you are eligible. You just need to go to this page, connect the wallet. Mine's already connected. And here when you click register, in my case says, sorry, you're not eligible for the whitelist. Please sign up to the waitlist. And if you have the same, if you're not eligible, you can sign up. And this is a simple form where you provide your wallet address, Discord handle, Twitter handle, and email address. And also on this page you can read up more on the collection, on the artist. Regarding the waitlist, I haven't seen any concrete information how the future rounds gonna go, so we'll have to wait on the announcement on that front. And also currently I believe even if you are waitlisted, you cannot mint that, because here we have the NFT roadmap. Currently we have July whitelist, then the official mint is to be announced, and we have some add-on trades also to be announced. So hopefully we'll have more information on that in the coming weeks or month potentially. And now going back to the official announcement, I also find interesting that Mantle's treasury holds 270k of ETH, and based on forum discussions and future propositions, we're probably gonna see the Mantle liquid staking. Obviously more details are here and in the forum discussion. You can click this link if you're interested in that stuff. And as a conclusion, in the months to come we will reveal more details regarding the technology roadmap and share details on our research. We will also keep the community updated with all the latest news on new project launches and partnerships, plus exciting campaigns and events looming on the horizon. And then the socials, these are obviously must to join if you're doing anything on Mantle. Okay, now let's try to do a migration from the BIT tokens. I got some BIT tokens on Ethereum into the MNT. And based on the guide, there are two ways to approach that. Way number one is to use the official interface, and second possibility is to interact with the smart contracts directly. In this case, I'm going to be using the default UI. I'm not going to be interacting with the contracts. This is the interface here. We need to connect the wallet. I have 20 BIT. As you can see, it identifies this correctly. It asks us to switch on Ethereum mainnet. Okay, allocate allowance. I hope gas is not too crazy right now. Pretty high, 220 to approve. Okay, it's been approved. Now we can migrate. Of course, better do that when the gas is lower. How do I have remaining BIT tokens? Wait, what? And we can add MNT to the wallet. I don't have any remaining BIT tokens, but it says I do have. It's like this notification came before the actual migration. Again, there is a second option in the guide on how you can do it interacting with the smart contracts on Etherscan. And now we gotta bridge that because we're currently on Ethereum. To deposit that, connecting the wallet. Also, bridging guide states that the first transaction you do, first bridge that you're doing on the official bridge, will give you 4 MNT tokens on Mantle as a bonus. Only the first transaction. There is currently no limitation to the amount of transaction. Where is that? Here, MNT bonus. There's no max button. Okay, 20 MNT, and I will need to pay gas on Ethereum again, twice. That sounds like fun. Yeah, I'm gonna be down more than the actual value of these tokens, but I'm just mainly doing that for the video. Obviously with the current Ethereum gas, that doesn't make much sense. Notification here says that our assets will be available in around 30 minutes on Mantle. Also, one important point about the bridge. If you want to withdraw, like bridge it from Mantle to Ethereum, it's gonna take 7 days due to the current rollup structure. Here I'm not gonna wait for the arrival, I'm gonna wrap up here. If there are any issues, I will make sure to add them in description of the video and in the pinned comment, because I don't plan to use any of these tokens today and I don't have anything else that I can show here. And again, regarding migrating, bridging, obviously since it's on Ethereum mainnet and gas fees are fairly high, so it's probably better to wait. So yeah, I think it's gonna be very interesting on the mainnet. We'll see what applications will launch on the mainnet first. Probably the majority of applications will also roll out their own incentives, so there may be some good opportunities there, especially in DeFi space. In the meantime, that's all I have for you now. Thank you very much for watching. If you found the video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. As always, if you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you next time.